A St. Mary teacher needs help to do surgery so she can walk properly. Krista Campbell has her story.
Class is in session at the Port Maria Primary School in St. Mary. Vivienne Ramsey is the teacher. Students actively participate in the day's English lesson, but Ms. Ramsey's lesson goes much deeper.
Out of all the pain that I'm feeling and my own challenges, I still find the time to show up and to give 150% every day with my students online. We have a lot of fun, they can tell you. And we also started a charity as a class, which came out of an integrated studies lesson about groups or organizations that help others to meet their basic and other needs.
With their parents' approval, her students came up with their own slogan and named the charity the Care and Compassion Movement.
In the initial stage, we had 10 elderly persons within the Port Maria community, and then we have gone to 15 now that we give back every 2 months, that we give them back toiletries and food items. And I would like to continue this as well.
However, severe joint pain is threatening that dream. It started affecting her after she gave birth to her last child in 2008. She went to the doctor, but an X-ray did not reveal the problem.
So they recommended a MRI, but I did not do the MRI. My doctor sent me home to lose weight. He said that it is the weight that was causing the pain. I would have gone to him and about 4 other doctors and still no MRI. They tried different pain medication, but none of them helped.
In 2019, she visited a doctor in Port Maria and was eventually referred for further checks.
I went to Kingston, I did the MRI, and it showed that I had spinal canal stenosis. That's a narrowing of the spine. So I left Jamaica for Cuba in 2019 to do spinal surgery to correct this issue because I was having terrible pain on both sides.
She went to Cuba for corrective surgery, but
when they did their MRI, it confirmed that my spine was in good condition. Actually, my hips were bad. Both hips were bad. So I was feeling pain on both sides, more on the left at the time. So I opted to do left hip replacement surgery. So I did that in 2019 in Cuba. And I was to return 2020 to do the right hip because they found a cyst growing on the right hip as well.
She was to return in 2020 to have surgery on her right hip, but couldn't find the money to do so. Since then, her pain has worsened.
I recently did a scan and it showed that I have severe osteoarthritis of the right hip, pain in the right hip. And so the surgery is needed immediately.
The educator needs help to find the $13,000 US or 2.2 million Jamaican dollars to cover the airfare as well as the cost for the surgery and related expenses. If you want to help Vivienne Ramsey, you can donate to her Scotiabank Port Maria savings account number 12688. That's 12688. Or call her at 876-563-3517. That's 876-563-3517. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.